In this podcast, we're going to talk about website creation using some simple software. The development of websites has continued to evolve over the year, and the good news is that it keeps getting easier and easier. And this is going to be a very short podcast because I'm going to show you one of many possible software systems to enable you to create a website. I used to use WordPress, which is one of many content management systems, which this one is as well. And essentially what it is pre-programmed website templates that you can simply modify to meet your needs. This one that I'm going to show you is called WIX, W-I-X, but again, there are many of them: WordPress, Webs, SquareUp, lots and lots of them. So if you're already comfortable with one, you're certainly welcome to use that. But Wix is very easy to use and it's free. And it's also an interesting revenue model because what they've done is they've allowed you to create a free basic version of a website with the hope that you will upgrade, and that's the revenue model. You start off for free, and then there are different levels of upgrade depending upon the complexity of your site. For example, if you want to make your site e-commerce enabled with a shopping cart and inventory management systems and so on, then you will pay increasingly more as you increase the complexity. But for now, we're just going to create a simple free website. So in Blackboard, you will have seen these very short instructions on how to create a Wix website. And basically, you're just going to go to www.wix.com, and I'll go to it in a second. And when you go on there, you'll see a button that says Start Now. And basically, just follow the instructions on the screen. It will walk you through setting up your account with your different information. And what I always recommend is to be sure to write down your user ID and password because it will make life a lot easier down the road. So I'm going to skip over now to my Wix sites, and you can see I've actually created a couple of different websites. When we had an NBS Core basketball tournament to benefit the Bangor Humane Society, I created this little simple website, and I'll just show you real quick. Took me no time at all. Not terribly sophisticated, but it did the job. It was just supposed to be an informational site. So I had the home. I had created a second page called Tournament Details. Again, very simple. Put in a page to talk about the Bangor Humane Society, and then a contact page. So very, very simple. I was playing, and I thought, I'm going to create something called the Great Moose Company, just for fun. Sort of a portal of all things moose related. Now, this one I haven't done much to. There are templates, and I'll show you this in a second, but I started off with this bakery template, which I have not modified much, and it already had some pre-existing categories in there. But I really, as you can see, I haven't done much to it. But the idea is that there are lots of different templates, and that's what's kind of fun, that you can play with it. So let me go into edit this site. Oh wait, you know what? Actually, let me go back. Now, to create a new site, basically you just start with create a new site. It's easy as that. And what you're going to do is you're going to scan through and pick a template of something that looks like it's similar to the small business client you're working with. So, and you can see a lot of them are free. Here's an exotic pet shop, tennis lessons, music studio, party rentals, and for something for an author. And you can see there's lots and lots of them, and a lot of them are free. So I would spend some time just playing, and then pick the one you want. And you can also scroll through. It's really nice how they've expanded the ease and customization. So hotels and travels, there's hotel websites, tons of stuff. And let's see, looks like these are not free. Let's just scroll through just to see if there are any free ones. It doesn't look like it here. Let's see if I chance there's any free travel ones. Okay, so there's some free travel ones. So you just kind of have to play with it, and it's very easy to modify, as you'll see in a second. So basically, you just pick the template that you want, and then you will have your site. And this is what I did for, let's see, for this great moose company that I was playing with. So all I really want to show you, once you pick the template, it's going to look like this. And what I want to show you are the very easy basic commands to play with this. So as you can see here, this first one's called Pages. And under Pages, I can add a new page, or I can add, a main page that will go across the top, or I can add a page. Go into here. I can add a page under Products. So let's say I want to have, okay, so here's the page settings. But now I'm in this page, so I want to go to Add, and add page to your site. And notice that it asks me, let's see here, content, landing pages. I'm looking for the type of layout I might want. Like, let's say if it's price list, services. Let's go with, see what they have here. I was looking for products. Gallery. That's more for pictures. Like content, facts, menus, news. But I don't see products. So let's just use services too. And I'm going to call this chocolate mousse, and add as a subpage. Okay, so it's going to be a subpage of my products page. Okay, and the web address will be chocolate mousse. Okay, so let's see. I could set it as a home page if I want. I don't want to do that. I don't want to protect the page. I don't want to hide the header or footer and so on. But so we'll add the page, and now it's done. And now you can see here we've got this. Let me get out of this for a second. We've got this. This is the template that it comes up with. So here I can simply edit the text. See here, and I can say, I'll just make stuff up. The story of the chocolate mousse. And now notice here that I can edit it just like Microsoft Word. So this is big. I might want the font size. Where's font size? Here we go. I want the font size to be maybe 14. Okay. And I can change the color of the text here if I want to, but I'll say the chocolate mousse was born in somewhere in Northern Europe in the 1800s in a small village in the mountains. Okay, so anyway, I'm going. Okay, now here, okay, so here's when let's see, I can edit the image. I want to change the image. Okay, now here's the thing. Do I have? Okay, here's different images that I already have on my WIX site. But let's see, I want to add an image. So I want to upload an image. And let's see here, if I have pictures, let's see if I have a picture in the MBS core folder. Let's see, pictures. I don't really have any good, I don't have any good moose pictures, unfortunately. But let's just pick one. How about, let's see what's in here. I have no idea what these are. ideally you see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is not a moose, but that's okay. And let's see. So I want to put that in, so that's all I did. I uploaded it, I put it in here, and then I could edit this text. I could do all that. Anyway, you can see how easy this is. And then when I'm done, I want to save it. Okay. All right. Okay. Now there's some other things. Design. I can change the background. There's all kinds of stuff here. Do that. This background, let's see, change background here. Actually wanted to edit this one, but that's okay. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. But anyway, I can change the colors here. See how there's different color schemes, just for fun. So, oh, okay, so see, there are these templates that do it for you. So I'll leave it like that. This is add. So if I want to insert text, images, a photo gallery, other media, shapes and lines, a blog, an online store. What else do they have here? Oh, this is where you can insert like Facebook and other social media. And this is kind of cool. You can insert all kinds of apps in here. And I have not played with this a lot, but this is the kind of thing that you guys could have a lot of fun playing with. And again, here's this app market, which is really kind of fun. And once again, I'm not going to spend really any time on here, but just to point out that this is a fun thing for you to look at and play with and so on. And then settings. Let's see. Social settings. This is where you can put your Facebook URL. You can add, let's say, the Facebook icon on here, and so on. Statistics. This is where, okay, this is that revenue model I talked about. The free version, apparently, they won't let you use Google Analytics, but it's okay. At least you know it's there. Okay, and I have no idea what a favicon is, so I'm not going to worry about that. So anyway, these are the settings. They're very easy, and if you play with it, you're going to have fun with it. And here we can preview it. And back to editor. Okay, I can go home. Wait, hang on, sorry. If I preview it, then I can use these and see how it's looking. And so on. So as you can see, I haven't done much to it. But let me go back to the editor so you can preview it. You notice that I saved it. Whenever I'm ready, I can publish, and then notice the revenue model. They want you to upgrade. So this, I hope this is clear and that you can see how easy it is to use this WIX. So just go in and start playing and have fun with it. And I would encourage everybody on the team to play with it. I'd actually encourage everybody to make your own website just for fun so that you can see what it's like. And I think that, if I can, is about it.